Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Elearn Learning Made Easy. Today I am going to start my manual testing video series, and today's topic is basic concepts of software engineering. Below are the topics covered as part of the basic concepts, which covers what is software, what is software system, what is software engineering, followed by software project, bidding process, RFP, and finally kick-off meeting followed by pin. So let me start with what is software. Software is defined as a set of computer programs which when executed they give desired features, function and performance, which means that the computer programs are written to develop a set of features. Based on its features, one can derive its functionality, and based on its function, one can estimate its performance. It is also defined as set of computer instructions are programs that are developed to perform a specific set of tasks or functions. What is software system? It is system. It is a system that is designed and developed with the help of software to which a user can able to interact with the help of a computer system. Few real-time examples include computer online reservation system, operating system, database management systems, termed as DBMS, air traffic control system, etc. are the examples. Let me justify my statement with one of these examples. Say if we consider computer online reservation system, this is like a online reservation website like apsrtc.in and irctc.in. These are the software systems or applications that are developed with the help of software like HTML, PHP and Java, and with these applications the users can able to interact with them with the help of a computer. So this is an example of a software system. Based on these examples, one can say that these software systems enables the users to perform highly complex activities. And what is software engineering? It deals with designing, developing and maintaining the software. The designing and development of software applications is done by software development team. In real case, what is a software project? Is software developed for the customers by software companies is known as a software project. What is bidding process? It is a process of getting software projects from the customer by software companies is known as contract fixing or bidding process. It has three steps. One is request for proposal, followed by estimations and signing of contract. Let me explain what is request for proposal, in short termed as RFP. RFP is basically a document that is floated by the client where they ask the vendors to submit the entire plan how the company is going to develop the product which the client requires, which means that this provides a very high level of definition of requirements. The vendor responds to the RFP that is submitted, providing all the details like technical solution, PMP, which is the project management plan, and commercial aspects. The vendor also submit the case studies of similar product that they have already built in near in their earlier projects. Sometimes these are also be explicitly asked by the client. The RFP response has a designated end date by which it needs to be submitted to the client. Once the client receives all the bids from different vendors, They will evaluate and pick the solution which they deem to be the best. Once the vendor is finalized, the project management and other activities will take over. What is kickoff meeting? It is the first meeting that is held with the project team and customer of the project once the project is confirmed to a particular vendor and it has been signed off. Signed off in real time is known as approval. Then what is PIN? PIN stands for Project Initiation Note. This is the email sent by project manager to the CEO of the company in order to get permission to start the project development. Once the permission was provided, he will prepare other email and will send to the concerned project team that they are about to start the project. This is also called as Project Initiation Note, abbreviated as PIN. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.